My name is Ashley, and I'm a pharmacist at the Saskatoon Co-op Stonebridge Pharmacy. The common cold is a pesky viral infection of the upper respiratory tract, which includes your nose and throat. It can lead to symptoms such as a sore throat, cough, runny or stuffy nose, sneezing, and just feeling unwell. There's no cure for the common cold, but its symptoms can be made bearable. Resting and staying hydrated are helpful, and you may find that humidifiers, gargling with salt water, or pain relievers are useful in relieving a lot of the symptoms. Generally, antibiotics are not needed to treat a common cold because they're not effective against viruses. So how can you avoid the cold? Washing your hands with soap and water is the easiest way to prevent the common cold. It's also important to take care of yourself by eating well, sleeping well, exercising, and making sure you're up to date on your vaccines. In the event that you've done all you can to avoid it but still catch the cold, speak with a pharmacist for advice to manage your symptoms. With so many remedies available, it can be difficult to know which is best for you. Your pharmacist is here to help. Visit your pharmacy today.